Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Experience Mathematics. Before starting, I want you to make sure that you subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that I will be encouraged to make more videos and you will also get information about my coming videos. So without delay, I will start my today's topics, composite functions. I have brought some important problems on composite functions. So frequently these composite functions problems is confusing to many students. So I have brought these topics uh, and now here we have two functions f equals to 1 5 2 4 3 6 and z equals to 5 3 4 1 and 6 2, and it will be easy to find out composite functions g of f and f of z by using arrow diagram. uh, Now to find out g of f, we should first of all take f and then z. Look at the solution of this. So oppositely we have to take, while finding out z of f, we should take it first f and then z. Okay, so f, function f, f takes 1 to 5, 1 to 5, and 2 to 4, 2 to 4, and 3 to 6. 1 is mapped to 5, 2 maps to 4, 3 maps to 6. And similarly under this function z, 5 has image 3 and 4 has image 1 and 6 has image 2. In this way, we have image of this 1 under this composite function is 3, image of 2 under this composite function is 1, image of 3 under this composite function is 2. So this is function z, and here this overall composite function is g of f. Why it is g of f? Look at here, it is 5 is the, this 5 is the image of 1. Okay, this 5 is the image of this one, f of 1, f operates 1 and we get 5. 5 is the image of 1, f of 1 is 5. And when z operates this f1, then this 3 is z f of 1. So this is 3 is z f of 1. So this overall composite function, this is z of f. So from this we can get the idea of this z of f. Okay, so in this way we can find the composite function g of f, and g of f if we represent by using the set of order pairs, we can represent this way, okay, in the form of this order pairs. So now g of f equals to the function g of f will be like this. 1 is mapped to 3 and 2 has image 1 under this composite function. And similarly 3 has image 2 under this composite function. In this way we can find out composite function g of f. Okay. Similarly, next to that is the composite function f of z. Okay, this f of z. So now let's find out f of z. While finding out f of z, we should take function g at first and f in the second place. Okay, just oppositely we have to take. In f of z, g at first place and f in the second place. This in the first place, this in the second place. Okay, so why it is in first place and it is in second place? Question arises because while writing f of z x, this z will operate x first, then only f operates. So this z is written first and then f in the second place. So for this also let us let's represent this in arrow diagram. Okay, here first of all we write function z and then we write function f. So under this function z, 5 has image 3, 5 has image 3 and 4 has image 1 and 6 has image 2. Okay, here 5 has image 3, 4 has image 1 and 6 has image 2. And under the function f, this 3 has image 6, 3 has image 6 and this 1 has image 5 and image of this 2 is 4. Image of 2 is 4. And now like before, this 3 is the image of 5. That means this z5 is 3. Okay, so this 3 is, it is z of 5. And similarly, when f operates this z5, f operates this z5, then we get 6. So here as this 6 is fz5, so this composite function is f of z. Okay, so this is the f of z. And now f of z is written like this way. This f of z takes this 5 directly to 6. Okay, this image of 5 under this function f of z is 6. Image of 4 under this function f of z is 5. Image of 6 under this function f of z is 4. So f of z is 5 comma 6 and 4 comma 5 and 6 comma 4. In this way we can find out f of z function f of z we can find out. So if the two functions are given in this way in order pair forms, then we can represent composite functions by using arrow diagram, and we can write the composite functions in this way. Okay, now we have one more questions of composite function. Here fx equal to 3x plus 2 and gx equals to 2x minus 3. We have to find out f of z minus 2. Okay, so in such type of problems, first of all we should find out f of z x we find out, and this x is replaced by minus 2 and we find out f of minus 2. And in some books for this f of zx it is written find, book writes find fz. Okay, book only asked to write fz. At that time also we need to find out f of zx. Actually it is necessary to write f of z instead of writing fz only. So but to mean this f of z, in book it is given find fz only, but the meaning is same. That if book asks to find out fg, then we need to find out f of gx. Same thing we have to find out. If book asks to find out f of gx, then also we have to find out the composite function. And next thing, what makes student confused is that, so they will be confused. fg means they have to find out product or they have to find out composite function. That is confusing to many students. And if book asks to find out fgx, its meaning will be fx times gx. This is the, its meaning is product of the two functions. And but if fg only asks, then the meaning is the composite function. Actually, this also should not be given. This f of g should be given to clarify, to make it quite clear. Okay, but according to the property of the real valued function, fg of x, its meaning is fx times gx. So if any intention of the book is to ask the product, then it should be given in this form. And while finding out composite function also, it is frequently seen that book is asking to find out f of gx to find out f of gx. So in this bracket is not necessary, but we find a bracket in book. In this also you have to find out composite functions. You need not be confused with this. Okay, this is same like this one if it is given like this in book. Okay, so I hope that your confusion is clear, where you have to find out product and where you have to find out the composite function. For the composite function, this f of g, this should be given, but also if not given like this way, then also we should understand that it is the composite function. So let us find out the composite function f of gx in this case. Here fx equals to 3x plus 2, gx equals to 2x minus 3. We have these two functions, fx equal to 3x plus 2, gx equal to 2x minus 3. Now f of gx we have to find out. So this it is replaced by bracket f, its meaning is f bracket inside bracket gx, and so this gx, in place of gx, from here we have 2x minus 3. So this gx is replaced by 2x minus 3. So f is as it is. So this gx is replaced by 2x minus 3. Okay. So after that, to some students they will be confused. Okay. So here f inside bracket, what is there? We should think that that is the x. Okay. So inside bracket here is x. This x has been replaced by 2x minus 3. This x has been replaced by 2x minus 3 on the left hand side. So on the right hand side also, this x must be replaced by this 2x minus 3. Okay. So what is inside bracket? That is just like x. So this 2x minus 3 we write here, then here also we need to write 2x minus 3. Then f 2x minus 3 becomes here 3 times in place of x 2x minus 3, and this plus 2 is same. So here in place of x 2x minus 3, and if you replace left hand side x by 2x minus 3, right hand side x also must be replaced by 2x minus 3. Now 3 times 2 6, x minus 3 is 9 plus 2, this is 6x minus 7. Therefore f of gx equals to 6x minus 7. So f of z minus 2, f of z minus 2, f of z minus 2 is obtained by replacing this x by minus 2. This x is replaced by minus 2, then this x also must be replaced by minus 2. So this equals to 6 times minus 2 minus 7, and this equals to 6 to the 12 minus 12, and here minus 7, minus 12 minus 7, and hence f of z minus 2 equals to minus 19. And in this way we have found out f of z minus 2. And if there are three functions like this way, if question asks to find out f of z of h of x, the process is same process we can continue. If question asks to, if there are three functions given, fx is given 3x plus 2, zx is 2x minus 3, hx equals to 2x plus 1, then also the process will be same. Here f of z bracket hx we can write, and f of z hx value from here is 2x plus 1, and in place of x we have 2x plus 1, so this will be replaced. F of z of this 2x plus 1 will be here 2 times 2x plus 1 minus 3, and this will be f, and this will be 4x plus 2 minus 3, and this will be f 4x minus 1, and again this in place of x we have 4x minus 1 here, and this x will be replaced, and it will be 3 times 4x minus 1 plus 2, and it will be 12x minus 3 plus 2, so that will be equals to 12x minus 1. In this way, if there are three functions, then also the process can be continued. Here hx is 2x plus 1, and then here now z 2x plus 1 we have to find out. In place of x we have 2x plus 1, so this x should be replaced by 2x plus 1. Okay, so this z 2x plus 1 is z 2x plus 1 here, and so 2 times 2x plus 1 and minus 3 as it is, to the 4x plus 2 and the 2 minus 3, it will be 4x minus minus 3 plus 2, it is 1, and again here in place of x we have 4x minus 1, 3 times 4x minus 1 is 2 is same, 3 to 12x minus 3 was the 3 plus 2, so 12x minus 1. So if we have to find out composite functions of three functions, then also the same procedure we can follow and find out the composite functions. In this way we can solve any problems of composite functions, and in this, if any inverse function is attached, then we should find out the inverse of any functions, and same procedure can be followed. I hope that this video is helpful to you all. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon, so that I will be encouraged and you will also be informed about my coming videos. Thank you very much.